Okay, Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. I'm outside a building, but it's not a normal building. This is a hotel. So you could tell it's got 7 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 floors. Okay, it's in a beautiful location in Medina. And I'm making this video because a lot of people have asked, how can I actually make money if I come to Medina? So there is a means for foreigners now to have full ownership of their companies, to open their company, and to also invest and do business. So this is one of the many ways that a person can do business. So this hotel is more or less ready. It's done. It just has finishing touches. Before I take you on a full tour of the hotel, I'll just let you in on a couple of stuff. So one of the first important things a person has to understand in Saudi Arabia, in order for you to be able to invest and do business and so on and so forth, then you need to have that which they call residency and also an investment license. So if you're a business owner, you could do that. If you want to do business in Saudi, you could do that. So there's different categories. We're not going to get into the different categories, but meaning you have to have proof of paperwork that you are living in the country, meaning you're a resident, and then you can do business. You don't have to physically stay here throughout the whole time that your business is, generating income, but meaning that's the first important thing for you to understand, that you have the means of residency so that the business is in your name, and then you've got the license to do business. So here's a hotel. Move to Medina, we do facilitate and help you in terms of being able to obtain the right paperwork legally for you to be able to actually invest in something like this. So that's like the first stage. That's the first important thing for you to understand. The next stage, once you finish all the paperwork and you've done all of that, then you can actually invest in something like this. And the beauty of this, so the beauty of this, brothers and sisters, is that you can literally have your own investment, something like this in Medina, where you've invested. It's a hotel, everything is being run for you, and you can get a company to come and take over in terms of getting management, employ people to run the hotel, and you're just sitting back and you have a residual income. That's the beauty, and you could do that. So let's take you on a tour. And if you are interested, then of course, get in touch with us via email so that we can give you more details. Right here, this is the hotel. This will be the reception area, and then that will be the cafeteria over there, and this is the main entrance. Obviously, there will be the main entrance. So let's take you on upstairs, and then you can actually see an example. Obviously, those are the lifts as well. You can see, so it's 57 apartments, and roughly around, 7 floors altogether. And it's just, the hotel rooms are either 1 bed with a bathroom or 2 beds. They don't have any 3 beds. So, for example, this is here, you can see welcome 108. You walk in, and then you've got this right here. So the bathroom, akramakumullah, on the left, and then a small room. Literally just a small room, all right? And if it's yours, it's yours. So you can put the pricing and what have you. You're the one that's in charge, because it'll be yours. And this one here, 107, it's the same as well. I'll say slightly a bit more bigger. And then you've got, this is a 2-bed, 105, 106. You can make it as 1. So you literally walk in, and then you've got this room here, and then you've got this here. And then here, a bathroom, akramakumullah, and then you've got a room here as well. Okay? So this is the type of rooms they have. It's all the same, by the way, on every floor. It's the same layout on every single floor. So this is a 1 bed with this. Bathroom, akramakumullah, 1 bed. And this is the view outside. So guys, if you're interested, you want more information, how this whole thing works, because I know, of course, for a lot of people listening and watching and tuning in, they're wondering how does things work out here. So that's why we're on the ground, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. We're here to assist you, to let you know how this can go about. But as we mentioned in the first beginning of this video, that you first need to make sure you establish yourself in the country. That's the first thing. So if you're interested, inshallah, get in touch and we can give you more details, bi-idhnillahi ta'ala. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.